Welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video I am going to share you about the new update, which is actually Microsoft has announced they are going to remove the several Microsoft Graph beta API for Intune device configuration. So when they are going to be removed in February 2024. So now we are in January. Next month in February, there is a few beta API that leverage the old Intune reporting framework. Why they want to remove? Because those beta API, Graph API, that was leveraging the old Intune reporting framework for device configuration policy report, and this will stop working in February. What is this? You can see it here. This is HTTPS. You see this is the device configuration. So if you are using Graph API to fetch the report from Power BI or through Postman or Graph Explorer or in any of the third-party tool you have been using these configurations to fetch the device configurations, it will stop working. So make sure before February, now we have only 15 days, you can use this. So this is the two they mentioned: device configurations and the device status. These two reports, like if you are fetching the device configurations or the status, right, the policy by the device status, what is the policy, and in case if you are using it, so of course it will be impacted by this change. So you can look for this MC688107 in your message center, right? If you are using any automation tool, automation or script to retrieve these data, reporting data for device configuration or device status from the Graph API listed above, these two, we as Microsoft or recommend moving to the newer Intune reporting framework by making the post method to responding. So these two will be stop working. You can use these three device configurations. So instead of get the device configuration status, you can put the get configuration policy report for devices, right? And then device and user check-in status, you can use this get configuration compliance device report, and device state assignment get cache report. If you want to learn more, so what you have to do, device configurations, you see in the end you will see the difference between this Microsoft Graph.com beta device management, right? The device management, after the device management you see the manage devices here, right? And the new, it will be reports / get configurations policy report for devices. So you can use like this, right? And if you are familiar with the Graph Explorer, this is my Graph Explorer, you can see it here. I am sure you will be using with many other system. So if you see, if you selected beta, so you can click on get and post. So I am selecting get because this is get, or okay, post, okay, post, and you run the query. So you see not using. So I would recommend to better not to use Graph beta versions. Use the 1.0 or 2.0, right? And use this new path, right? So that you will see all the configuration and it will not be impacted your environment. Okay, I hope you learn this new, or you, at least if you are using, if you are a developer or if you are an Intune admin doing some automations, or you leveraging any automations, make sure you're not using this tool after January. Use like this to fetch this device configuration and device status in your graph or automation tool, and enjoy without any interruption. Till then, thank you, have a good day, bye bye, take care.